Hello viewers! Did you know that your body has the incredible ability to heal itself? Stem cells play a crucial role in maintaining our health by repairing and regenerating tissues. Imagine enhancing this natural ability through simple, natural methods. Today, we'll explore 9 ways to naturally regenerate your stem cells, boosting your health and vitality. Let's dive in. Stem cells are the body's raw materials, cells from which all other cells with specialized functions are generated. These cells are essential for repairing tissues and maintaining overall health. By naturally enhancing stem cell production, you can improve your vitality, accelerate recovery from injuries, and enhance overall well-being. Let's explore some natural strategies to boost your stem cells and improve your health holistically. First, adopt a stem cell boosting diet. Consume antioxidant-rich foods like berries, nuts, and leafy greens to protect stem cells from oxidative stress. Include omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts to support stem cell health. Eat protein-rich foods such as lean meats, beans, and legumes to provide the necessary building blocks for cell repair and regeneration. Next, engage in regular exercise. Aerobic exercises like running, cycling, and swimming boost cardiovascular health and promote stem cell proliferation. Strength training, such as weightlifting and resistance exercises, enhances muscle repair and increases stem cell activity. Intermittent fasting can also be beneficial. Fasting periods trigger autophagy, the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating new ones. The Eat Stop Eat method, which involves a 24-hour fast once or twice a week, can significantly boost stem cell regeneration. Optimize your sleep quality by maintaining a consistent sleep schedule. Create a restful environment that is dark, quiet, and cool to promote better sleep and, subsequently, better stem cell health. Managing stress levels is crucial. Mindfulness and meditation reduce stress hormones that can inhibit stem cell production. Practices like yoga and Tai Chi combine physical movement with mental focus to reduce stress and enhance stem cell health. Proper hydration is essential for optimal cellular function and regeneration. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Supplement wisely with nutrients like vitamin D, which supports stem cell differentiation and function. Spend time in sunlight or consider supplements. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has also been shown to support stem cell proliferation. Reduce toxin exposure by avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol, which can damage stem cells and impede their function. Choose organic foods to reduce exposure to pesticides and chemicals, supporting overall cellular health. Cold exposure through methods like cryotherapy or cold showers can stimulate stem cell production and enhance recovery. To visualize these methods, imagine starting your day with a nutrient-rich smoothie containing berries, spinach, and flax seeds. Follow this with a brisk morning jog or a yoga session to get your blood flowing and reduce stress. Throughout the day, maintain hydration, take regular breaks to meditate or practice deep breathing, and ensure you eat balanced meals rich in antioxidants and protein. End your day with a relaxing routine that promotes good sleep. Perhaps a warm bath, followed by a cool shower to stimulate your body. Consistency is key. Regular practice of these methods is crucial for long-term benefits. Balance and moderation are important. Avoid overexertion and extreme diets. Instead, focus on sustainable, balanced practices. Listen to your body and adjust your habits accordingly. Overcoming unhealthy habits can be challenging, but gradually replacing them with healthier alternatives makes it easier. If you miss a day or fall off track, don't be discouraged. Simply resume your healthy habits the next day. Incorporate these practices into your daily routine without overwhelming yourself. Even small, consistent changes can make a significant impact. By incorporating these 9 natural methods into your lifestyle, you can enhance your body's ability to regenerate stem cells, leading to improved health, faster recovery, and greater overall well-being. The journey to better health begins with simple, mindful changes. Start implementing these stem cell boosting tips today and share your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-boosting content and tips to improve your well-being naturally. Take care and stay healthy.